Welcome to Nordic Paddling. My name is Rasmus. I founded the company back in 2019, wanting to make more authentic Norwegian outdoor adventures more accessible to people with less experience. Strongly tied to the Norwegian culture of being closely bonded to nature, we use the word Friluftsliv, which directly translates to free air life or outdoor life. Friluftsliv means going out into nature on adventures such as hiking or kayaking. You can bring all the equipment you need for a multi-day adventure where you pitch your own tent, cook, eat and enjoy the cozy feeling hygge around the campfire with friends. We make advanced trips tailored towards beginners, so you don't need a whole lot of experience to enjoy these trips. We'll teach you all the basic skills you need to know to have an enjoyable experience kayaking the fjords. Even if you haven't slept in a tent before, that's not an issue because we'll supply you with good equipment. We'll give you tips and tricks on how to stay warm and how to get a good night's sleep. Among the spectacular experiences, we'll also hike to Preikestolen, also known as Pulpit Rock, which sits at 600 altitude meters above the fjord. As you get closer to the top, the amazing scenery unfolds in front of you. We have a lot of solo travelers. In the beginning, people come as individuals, but after just a few days, they become a tight-knit group who share all the amazing moments they've experienced on the trip. Some of these friendships last beyond the trip, and we see people coming back together for more adventures.
Are you taking photo or videos?
Yeah, I'm taking video of you taking photo of them.
I want to go there as well. You want to take it with me?
I don't know.
Oh, we're going to follow it. Yeah, that's that. Again. That's it.
If you're feeling adventurous, come join us on our beautiful experiences kayaking and hiking in the fjords of Norway.